All right, y'all. We're on our way to Caesar's Palace. Do a quick walking tour. Kind of see all the little areas and see what we can, what kind of interesting things we can find over there. This is not my first time going, but for those who haven't been there, welcome to Caesar's Palace.
Go and try it. You got balloon blocks. You're not dead yet. It's 2 out of 3. Big blue, big blue, big blue. Turn around, Sal. Big blue.
All right, Starfox. I'm gonna be heading out, okay? Going to Caesar's Palace. I'll be back in a few hours, all right? You guys gonna be good? Pinocchio? Pinocchio, you heard that, right?
Whoa! 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 Mercy!
All right, see y'all shortly, okay? At the bus stop right now, on our way to Caesar's Palace. So we're getting close, when I do get there, I'm gonna explore the area, see if I can find something else also to film, to add to the video. But Caesar's Palace is gonna be a blast. Guaranteed, stay tuned. Alright guys, new twist. Bus driver just announced that the strip will be closed. A lot of the buses will be closed because of the NFL draft. I didn't know the draft was today. I forgot actually, I think I heard about it yesterday. So this might be interesting. I'm gonna see if I can get some clips around there. All right, everybody, guess what? Bus had a detour because of the NFL draft. So that means we out here in the middle of fucking nowhere. But we gonna make it happen. Planet 13. Planet 13. Get your marijuana.
Just trying to apply for a job in there. But really,
Here we are, ladies and gentlemen. We are on the strip on NFL draft day. This is the Fashion Show Mall. So, as you can see, we have got 10 a little bit turned around. We were supposed to be at Caesar's Palace, but because of the NFL draft, the bus had a detour and we got off at the Fashion Show Mall. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Fashion Show Mall.